If you are looking for best pod coffee machines, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular Keurig K55/K Classic Coffee Maker.
If you find your Keurig brewer is not operating at peak performance, you should try descaling. Keurig Plus Series brewers are set up to alert you when it's time to descale, yet we recommend descaling every 3 to 6 months. It's a simple process that can greatly improve the performance of your brewer. To prepare, you'll need a bottle of Keurig descaling solution, a large mug, and access to a sink. Make sure the brewer is powered off and the water reservoir is empty. If your brewer has a Keurig water filter, remove it and set aside. You'll also want to disable any auto-off features. Now you're ready to go. For brewers with a removable reservoir, pour the entire bottle of the descaling solution into the water reservoir. Fill the empty bottle with fresh water and add that to the reservoir. Now you'll do a cleansing brew. Power the brewer on, place the mug on the drip tray, lift the handle to be sure the pod holder is empty, then lower it. Select an 8-ounce brew size, then press the brew button. If your brewer does not offer the 8-ounce size, select the largest size available. When brewing is complete, pour the contents of the mug into the sink. Repeat this process until the touch display says "More water, please." Then, let the brewer stand for 30 minutes with the power on. After 30 minutes, remove and empty the water reservoir and rinse it thoroughly to remove any residual solution. Return the reservoir to the brewer and fill with fresh water to the max fill line. Repeat the cleansing brew process at least 12 times. You may need to refill the water reservoir at least once during the process. Descaling your K15 coffee maker follows a similar process with a few changes. First, pour 1/3 of the descale solution into the reservoir. Then, add fresh water to the 10-ounce fill level. Lift the handle and wait about 5 seconds for the water to fully drain. Then, press Brew to perform a cleansing brew. Repeat the process one more time with 1/3 bottle of solution and fresh water. This time, power the brewer off as it starts to dispense. After 30 minutes, power the brewer on, lift the handle, then lower it. Press Brew to perform a cleansing brew. Finish by performing 3 cleansing brews, using 10 ounces of fresh water each time. And that's it! Your brewer is now descaled and you're ready to brew.
Product number 2, Cuisinart SS10 Premium Single Serve Coffee Maker.
There you have it, the Cuisinart Premium Single Serve Coffee Maker.
Product number 3, Nespresso Inissia Espresso Machine by Delonghi. Product number 4, Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer System with Glass Carafe.
The Ninja Coffee Bar system comes complete with a variety of brew types, sizes, and features that you can't get anywhere else. Pod-free enables you to use your favorite coffee grounds for unlimited variety when brewing a single cup or full carafe and everything in between, like the new XL Cup and XL Multi-Serve travel sizes. The Ninja Coffee Bar system allows you to further customize your coffee with Ninja's advanced thermal flavor extraction technology by creating variable levels of richness from the same grounds, including the Ninja exclusive Cafe Forte, which amplifies the natural, subtle flavors for a sensationally different coffee experience. Top off your favorite beverage by using the Ninja Coffee Bar's integrated frother to easily froth both hot and cold milk.
Product number 5, BLACK+DECKER Brew & Go Personal Coffee Maker.
BLACK+DECKER, let your kitchen work for you. Make your mornings effortless with the BLACK+DECKER Brew & Go Personal Coffee Maker, ideal for an active, on-the-go lifestyle. This coffee maker conveniently brews directly into a 15-ounce travel mug. The included stainless steel travel mug fits most cup holders. Convenient one-touch operation. And removable permanent filter basket means cleanup is a snap. No need for paper filters. The BLACK+DECKER Brew & Go Coffee Maker, because your mornings deserve it.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.